I'm in shock. I just opened the door, walk in, and this is what I'm seeing. Oh my gosh, it's all Christmas stuff. This is crazy. We're not even in September yet. Does anyone recall when Christmas was put out last year? I don't remember it being this early. These are fairly new, I'd say, because there's the Boo and the Eek, right? And the nice thick, but I don't remember seeing those last year. And look at this. These are going to sell fast. I don't need one, but if you do, pop into your stores because they're going to go super, super quick. I actually did a DIY with the Peace on Earth one last year, and I think it's super cute. I can't believe that all this Christmas stuff is out right now, but I'm letting you know the deco mat mesh is used up for wreaths making, so if it's out now, you have to buy it. It goes really quickly as well. I can't believe I'm telling you to go shopping for Christmas in August. Sorry, I got so sidetracked by this Christmas wall that I started wandering the Christmas aisle stuff. Okay, let's go back to my regular routine here, which is taking a look at the front walls. Here's the floral, and then there's always like new things over here. Oh my goodness, look at this. So just last week I was here, they had the fall mats. Now these look like Halloween mats. These are really cute. Oh, I love this one. I need this one. These are all new. These are new prints. Now look at the size difference. Do you notice that compared to, like, these ones are taller than the older ones? I'm just amazed every time I come into the store. It doesn't matter if it's just been a couple days, something new pops up. Truly, if you are looking for something, you need to go in almost daily. I know it's crazy, but that's just the way it is, right? The framed pumpkins or the wired pumpkins are here. the new packaging is actually doing a really great job. So now these things kind of stand out to me. I know that they had them before in the previous old packaging, but for some reason the new packaging just looks nicer. Things kind of pop. Lots of colorful vases or vases. I love their little twinkle lights. If you're looking for battery operated twinkle lights, these are perfect. Another new wizard item. Has anyone tried this? Is it like Comet? I love their wizard toilet bowl cleaner, I must say. I will let you know that their hand towels made by this company here are wonderful. Now this bath towel is not, you know, the thickest and biggest for us, but if you have pets, they're wonderful. I've been trying to figure out where Baby King, this brand here, is from. If anyone knows, please let me know. I have Googled it, but of course Amazon. It's hard to tell sometimes where things are originally from. I love this star cotton bib. It's so pretty. I know they have some really great Disney socks. This is cute. I know they have some really wonderful Disney socks right now. Winnie the Pooh, Bambi. Oh, here. So these ones here, there's little Dalmatians, and they're regularly $4.99. So definitely take a peek. But yeah, there's like Spider-Man. Oh, that's weird. Is Spidey? I bought a box of these from another Dollar Tree and I ate the whole thing. They're so good. Well, if you like chocolate and oranges. Oh wow, these are new to me. I've never seen this line at Dollar Tree. So this must be coming from somewhere else. You've got turmeric and cumin, and they're organic as well. Let me know if you've tried them and if you've been happy with them. Seriously should not be walking down these aisles. I've been so bad lately. Cookies and waffles and oh my gosh, it's just been terrible. But there's been some really awesome finds, so it's hard to kind of say, I won't walk down there. Actually, I'm gonna grab some almonds, chocolate covered almonds, if they have any. These are new. I've actually been looking to see if I still see any of those Mr. Bubble bath bombs, but I was hoping to grab a pink package, but I don't see them. These are cute. So we definitely did not receive these last year. I'm not sure if the US received them. They're actually very beautiful in person right now. Just really pretty. I have this set here, and I actually really like it. It's really great. And see the little hoses. This is so cute. I love that little jewelry dish tray. These little hoses are super sweet. So sweet. And I know I pay so much for them at Christmas time at Walmart. Do you have a favorite little house shape or style from these ones here? They're all just so cute. I'm going to say goodbye. This is a little sneak peek from the previous Dollar Tree I shopped at, and I shared that with you guys on the channel as well. I hope you enjoyed walking through this store with me. Until next time, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.